What's the meaning of country life? Country life. Country life.
Country life. Country life. Country life refers to the lifestyle, culture and activities associated with living in a rural area, typically involving agriculture, nature, and community. It often entails slower-paced and simpler ways of life compared to urban settings. People who live in the country may enjoy a closer connection to nature, fresher air, and more outdoor activities. Additionally, they may adopt different values and traditions, such as self-sufficiency, hospitality, and mutual support. However, country life can also come with challenges like limited access to amenities, isolation, and dependence on weather and season.